Hello, good day. My name is Chris Njoku. So today we'll be looking at the assignment one questions, and then we resolve them accordingly. We have about 7 questions here. Looking at question one, talks about weekly sum of sales. Two, what is the weekly average sales? Three, what is the weekly maximum sales? Four, what is the weekly minimum sales? Five, what is the average sales of wares 1 to 6? Six, what is the average sales of wares 7 to 12? Seven, what is the average sales of each warehouse for the entire 20 weeks? So we start with question one, what is the weekly sum of sales? So we'll come here just for us to know the question we're dealing with. So we can just name them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. So we have to fill and drag down to these 7 questions. So we'll move. So the first one says, what is the sum of weekly sales? So we say drop back. So we say equal sum. Then we select the data range from warehouse 1 to warehouse 12, which is from P4 to P4. Close the bracket with an enter key. So this is it. So we bring our cursor here. You can see it's showing a big cross like this. When you bring it to the side, it becomes a small cross. So you hold it down and then you drag. So that's how you have to fill on your computer. So this is it. This is the weekly sales of the warehouses. So now we go to question two. So what is the weekly average sales? So we say equals average. Select the data range. Close our bracket, hit and enter key. So we have to fill. So next question is saying, what is the weekly maximum sales? Question three. So equals max data range. So we have to fill. Next, what is the minimum? What is the weekly minimum sales? We'll say equals min data range bracket showing 100. So you quickly autofill. So next question, which is question 5. So what is the average sales of warehouse 1 to 6? So our interest is warehouse 1 to 6. So we say equals average warehouse 1 to 6 is our range. Close our bracket, enter. So this is it. Drag down. So next, ignore this green sign you're seeing. There's nothing there. So you click on this, say ignore error. So that's how you can just make do of it and clean off every error there. So these are just some things we can say. Let me not dwell on that. Let's move to the sixth question. The sixth question is talking about, see, what is average sales of warehouse 7 to 12? So equals average. Interest is 7 to 12. Close our brackets. So we got 100, drag it down. So that is for warehouse 7 to 12. So the last question is saying what is the average sales of each warehouse. So our interest is now each warehouse, not all the warehouse. So this is where we can drop our cursor to get the average sales of warehouse 1. So we're dropping our cursor below warehouse 1, so that when we get for warehouse 1, we drag down for the other warehouse. So you can see these are the sales of week 1 for warehouse 1, week 2 for warehouse 1, week 3 for warehouse 1, up to week 20 for warehouse 1. Now we want to get the average of the first 20 weeks for warehouse 1 sales. So we say equals average, then we select the data range, close our brackets, and then hit our enter key. So this is the average. Now we can autofill to get the average sales of all the warehouses for the first 20 weeks. So this is just it. So this is question 7. So in order to make it look neat, just watch me. I want to add another column to it, and so you see me, I drop my cursor on 7 and on column E, and you can see how the cursor have changed. So I right click, when I right click, I'll click on insert. So I'm inserting another column there. So you can see I've inserted another column. So I can just drop my cursor here and say 7. So this is just, sorry, yeah, let me just leave it there, 7. So this is just how we can add to a column while you're doing your work. You can also drop the 7 here, anything, but for those that are watching this, the essence of this 7 is just to know that what has been resolved in that row is question 7. So what I resolved in all of these are question 1 to 6. So for clarity purpose, I had to just do this. So thank you very much for making our time to see this video. More videos will still be coming your way. Thank you.